Hello everyone, welcome back to my GROWW channel. I am pharmacist arpit. Today we will discuss about Melacare Cream uses, side effect, how to apply and whether it is safe for long term use or not. If you are using it for pigmentations, melasma, dark spots, even skin tones, skin lightening, so this video is especially important for you. What is Melacare Cream? Melacare Cream is a combination prescription cream is mostly used for treating pigmentations, melasma, dark spots, skin lightening, even skin tones, etc. What is melasma cream combination? Melasma cream combinations contains is three active ingredients. First, hydroquinone 2%. Hydroquinone is mainly work by reduce in your skin's melanin production. Second, Tretinoin 0.025%. Tretinoin is mainly work by your skin's cell turnover is increase. Third, Mometasone. Mometasone is a steroid. Steroid is used mainly work by reduce your skin inflammations. Uses of Melacare Cream. Melacare Cream is used mainly melasma, dark patch on face, sun includes pigmentations, acne marks, short-term use were only. It work by reduce melanin formation or speeding up skin renewal, and in your skin's hyperpigmentation is totally recovers. What is the side effect of Melacare Cream? Melacare Cream is a side effect is two conditions. That's one. Common side effect is redness, burning sensation, skin irritations, dryness, peelings. Serious side effect is a long-term use. By this problem is mainly skin thinning, steroid dependencies, increase facial hairs. Warning: long-term use damage your skin barrier permanently. We should avoid Melacare cream. Pregnant women, sensitive skin patient, people with fungal infections, children, even using it without prescription. How to use Melacare cream? Apply a thin layer at night only. Do not apply on wall face. Avoid sunlight explores. Do not use with other strong actives. What is time period of Melacare cream use? Melacare cream use only 2 to 4 weeks, not long-term use. Not for daily permanent skincare routines, not for long-term fairness uses. Okay, important warning: never use Melacare for skin whitening or for fairness cream purpose. It is a medication treatment, not a cosmetic production. Self-medication can lead to steroid damage, face which is very difficult to treat. Conclusion: Melacare cream is a effective for pigmentation if used properly under doctor supervision, but misuse can cause serious skin damage. Overall, consult a dermatologist before starting or stopping this cream. If you found this video helpful, so like, comment and share this my videos and subscribe to my GROWW channels. Thank you.